Right, so anyway, there's the box. You got basically your light, and it looks pretty simple to put together. So let's do that now. All right, anyway, we're going to compare all of these once we get them all put together. This one's got a white light on it, that's what I want. So I probably won't use these, but we'll keep them just in case. And then we're going to try this one too. But first, let's go ahead. We're going to look at this one here, which is the Dewenwils. Dewenwils. I don't know, they could have thought of a shorter name. All right, let's check it out. All right, so here we are. Pretty simple. You can see on this side, it's got these little teeth that's going to grab the, there goes the instructions. We never look at those anyway, do we? And I think it's pretty simple. I'm just going to pull this off. So anyway, you want to hold this side, unscrew that side. Don't lose the nut because it'll fall out. Keep your finger on it. Then we're just going to slide it in there. Of course, they don't make it easy, do they? So first I got to put it here. Then I can get the nut in there. But I want to get an idea of where I want to put it. So I'm going to kind of put it like this for right now, because I know it's going to be facing up. So let's slide this through. All right, so now we got our nut through there. All right, so we got the nut through there, right? See it there? The way we had to do it was we had to first put this here. Then we had to stick the nut through because this is in the way. So you're gonna have to do that. Then on the other side, we gotta screw this on. And of course it doesn't want to screw on because it's made in China. There we go. And that'd be it right there. All right, so now we got it ready to go. We're just gonna stick it in the ground and see how she works. Tonight when everything turns on, hopefully this will look pretty cool. But who knows? Never know until you see it. And of course this stuff here does not want to come undone. I mean, one wrap was enough, right? All right, so anyway, I think we're ready to go. Let's plug this bad boy in. So anyway, I've got these lights right here that I bought, and I'm going to hook it to this, and I'm going to drop it down, and we're going to just connect it off this bad boy here and see how she looks. This is supposed to be 6 feet of cord, and I'm just going to wind it up this pole and plug it in there. And I'm going to point this right up at this thing right here. See how she looks. All right, so here's our thing. We got it on there. And let's just go ahead and we'll push it in here. And get some uplighting. And then I'm just going to bring this right around this here. Pull it up. I'm just going to plug it right in there. And bam. We'll be set to go. Of course, I'm doing it with one hand, so doesn't want to go in, does it? Come on now. Get up in there. I got to take a look at this and see what's going on. All right, so anyway, shove this baby in there. Bam, done. So I've got my lights here. This one's coming down to this spotlight. And I've got it shining up on this here. Hopefully this will be good. I mean, you never know though. So we're gonna try it and see how she works. It's working well. So this baby here is shining right up on here, all the way up, illuminates the whole area. Excellent. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff.